channel today. In this video I'm going to be teaching you something very important in Java. Okay, we are going to learn about how to repeat action in Java using the for loop. Okay, instead of writing the same code many times, we use loop to save time and make our program smarter and easier. Okay, so I'm going to give you some example on how we can do that now. Okay, loop allows Java to repeat a block of code, in case you don't know. So we're going to start this program by creating a class. So we are going to call it main. We're going to create a class and we'll call the class main. So here is how we start. We start by public class and give it main, and then open the curly brace. Inside the curly brace, we are going to have our main method. Okay, main method is where the code actually starts from executing from. So call it main method. If you have any question, you can ask me as you watch this video, and I'm here to put you through in anything. So we are going to be writing hello world. We want to print hello world in 5 lines. So we want it to repeat 5 times. So what we are going to use is the for loop. So I say for and then int I. Okay, int I, and then I'm going to say assign 1 semicolon, and then I again is less than or equal to 5 semicolon again, then I plus plus, and I close here, end this program, then open open a semicolon curly brace. So inside this curly brace we are going to be printing it out. So we want to print out hello world 5 times. So I'm going to say system.out_print. Okay, print line, open a curly brace, then I'll say hello world. Okay, I want to say hello world, then close it. So I'm done with the program. So this, what is actually going to happen here is that it's going to print hello world 5 times. Okay, it's going to print. Open a terminal. So open a terminal, then we have to connect our system, which is OneDrive. Connect our device OneDrive, system, also desktop. I connect in the desktop also, and then the folder that will save the code inside, so which is JDemo. Okay, so now we are compiling with Javac. So Javac, the file name, that's the class name, which is main. So we use the main for the class as the class name. So let's see what happens. Okay, I think everything is correct here. So when we run this code, we are going to print hello world in 5 different places. So I hope it works very well as planned. So here is it. Okay, you can see down here it printed hello world multiple times. So if we want it to print more than 5 times, we can actually make it. So you change this to be 10, or how many times that you want to print it. All you have to do is just change it, maybe 40 times. You can change it depending on how many you want to print. So instead of repeating 1 line of code multiple times, so you can just use it for 8. So now you know how to use the for loop in Java. Kindly like and subscribe to this video and drop your comments on what you think about this video and also what you want me to talk about in my next video. Thanks for watching, guys.